Hi beautiful people, Sylvia here, and welcome to my ProfitBook review. Right, so ProfitBook is going live today, and today is the 1st of September. It's a Warrior Plus launch, a platform that is notorious for releasing so-called shiny objects, plural. Okay, guys, is it one of them? Well, we'll see. I'll just express my humble opinion. We'll go through the sales page. I've got the demo. That's all I need, really. I don't even need the review access because I have reviewed thousands of, many of such products in the past, and this one doesn't seem to be any different. But we will go through everything. We'll go through the upsells, and for those who are interested in making real money online, I have amazing free amazing alternatives, and the link to them will be right below my review. Go check them out today and just get yourself, set up properly and start making real money online instead of chasing dream money. Okay, now in short, ProfitBook is a software that will allow you to change text based on the keyword you will type into an ebook or an audiobook. Then you can sell on platforms like Fiverr.com or Upwork.com or Amazon and make thousands. Now, that's what they claim. Is it gonna happen? Well, let's go and find out, right? Okay, here's my YouTube channel. That's not what we want. Okay, this is what we want. Just give me 1 second. Okay, here's a pop-up. Okay, maybe I need to slow down, but I don't know. I'm kind of like Speedy Gonzales today. Style. No. Anyhow, this is the sales page of ProfitBook, guys. So, if you want to get it from someone else, not me, I'm not promoting it actually. So, yeah, you'll have the chance to get the discount if you want. You'll just need to kind of hover over the sales page, pretend you want to exit, and then they get you back like, are you really sure? You don't want to grab this amazing deal and get rich from tomorrow and move to Bahamas and live a laptop lifestyle and all of that. I mean, are you really that crazy? You don't want this easy money. So that's how they get you back. Anyhow, okay, Sylvia, calm down. Now, that's what they say. So if you want to buy it, you click on this buy now, right? So this is the sales page, guys. This is the Warrior Plus profile of the vendor. We'll check it out. We'll check out who we are dealing with. I love to do it always. Here is the demo. We'll go through everything, and these are the upsells, and these are the amazing free courses I'm talking about, guys, that you can get completely free if you just go to the link below my review and just, get started. Click on any of these links here, get yourself signed up, and you will not regret, okay? I got them myself, and I wholeheartedly recommend it to all of my viewers with all integrity and, genuinely, okay? But that's for serious people. Anyhow, back to the topic of ProfitBook. So, they say, insert, click, profit. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Okay, brand new cloud software turns 1 million plus articles and 10,000K, so 10K, so 10,000 plus ebooks into what? Into 100% unique content. Oh, I would like to see that. And 24/7 free traffic in minutes. 24 divided by 7, or did you mean times 7? 24 divided by 7? I mean, is that even grammatically correct? I don't know about that. So free traffic in minutes, guys, are talking about Fiverr, Upwork, platforms like that for freelancers, okay? Where you're supposed to sell them these ebooks, okay? As if there were not like thousands, millions of big ebooks on like those platforms where you get PLR content, okay? You can just grab them there and resell them. And yeah, and okay, so if you're an experienced freelancer, you know better than that, right? Okay, this is not realistic. If you're not, and you're just setting up yourself on Fiverr.com or Upwork.com or People Per Hour, there are platforms like that, okay, for freelancers, then you know that you should, maybe you don't know, but you should know, you are just, up for some battles with competition with people who are already established that. So yeah, good luck to you, okay? If you want to entertain this method. And audiobooks, for goodness sake, audiobooks. There you can also create audiobooks here, okay, with this software and sell them on Amazon, okay, with this robotic voice, with this robotic voiceover, okay. I would never want to listen to an audiobook like that. So to me, it's a joke. They say your very own content business without typing any words. Sure, if that was only so easy, okay? If that was only so easy, we would have no writers, okay? Nobody would be writing books if that was just so easy to create some like audiobook or ebook and just sell it for hundreds or thousands as they claim here. Okay, they say create 100% unique content with the push of a button. Sure, yeah. What else? Generate automatic articles, PDF, info products, or ebooks with one click. Okay, guys, you see this? Like push of a button, run for the hills. You see this one-click nonsense? Run for the hills. Put your track shoes on and run. Now then they say sell SEO services and content writing on places like Fiverr. Yeah, I already talked about Fiverr and how easy it is to, just set yourself up as a new freelancer. If you experience, I'm not even talking about talking to you because you know how it works. But obviously they are targeting newbies, okay, who are as green as the grass, as green as this color here, maybe even greener. What else do they say? Have your very own ready-made products to sell or give away. But yeah, but sell to whom? How are you gonna get the traffic? Okay, that is the question always. You want traffic, guys? Go get these courses. Learn about traffic, how to generate traffic. Traffic is money. Money is not made, it is taken. You have to take it from someone, from real people. Okay, robots are not gonna buy from you. Now generate amazing ebooks in minutes without typing any words. Yeah, okay, and then you can just put them in the bin. Built-in designer turns your content into stunning products. So what? Who's gonna buy them? Now 1 million plus done for your articles built-in, 10k plus done for your ebooks built-in. 100% newbie friendly. This is the only thing I totally agree with, because only newbies who have no idea how it works in this making money online niche would entertain this product, okay? Now, autopilot free traffic in any niche, yeah, whatever. And I am the Pope, okay? Do I look like one? Maybe I don't, but I am the Pope. If this is autopilot free traffic in any niche with one click, I must be the Pope. No technical skills or experience needed. Absolutely not. If you had any experience, you would never buy it. 0 monthly fees. Yeah, well, monthly fees on top of that. Come on. Give me a break. So I want to step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, only 3. Only 3. And you're ready to go to Bahamas. And then we've got some testimonials. We've got some guys, other vendors from, where are they? From Warrior Plus. They're also creators of shiny objects. So they support each other. It's like, you scratch my back, I scratch yours. I mean, that's what it is. What can I say? And frequently asked questions. These are the vendors. Okay, let's check out the profile on Warrior Plus. Okay, obviously I didn't bother, applying for the links, since as soon as I saw the demo and the sales page, I was like, okay. Another one bites the dust. Okay. Another one bites the dust. Okay, I'm not a singer, sorry. No, I don't have a good voice for singing. Anyhow, this is the vendor. Let's check his score on Warrior Plus. Well, 2 stars out of 5. What is this? It's 2 stars out of 5. Guys, come on. He created 44 products. So, I mean, my question is, if this amazing software works and makes so much money. Why don't they do that? Okay, instead of creating one BS product after another one. You know, you should, guys, be selling those ebooks yourselves on Amazon or Fiverr or Upwork, if that's so amazing. Why do you have to come here and create so many shiny objects? And look, it's 1.5 stars, 2 stars. I mean, like, people must be loving them, right? Okay, so then that's it. Done and dusted. You've seen the profile for yourselves. What else do we need to check out? I'll show you a demo in a sec. Okay, and then 1 second. Here is the upsells. As you can see, many upsells. Okay, I mean, pathetic funnel. How many upsells? The front end upgrade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, oh, even 8. Okay, cool. Shall we just, I'll spare you time. I can't be bothered going through the upsells. Now, let me show you the demo. Okay, I muted it and I'll talk over it. I'll just talk over it for you. So, okay, let me just play this demo. So, what they're saying, okay, sorry about the noise at the background. I hope you're not too disturbed by it, guys. So they are saying, like, you can go on Fiverr and, for 5,000 words, they will be paying you almost, 900 something euro. Okay. Okay. I would like to see that. And, okay, 1 second. Where are we? And what are they doing here? And now, here we are. They're showing this inside the software. So what you would be doing, basically, you have this like training and support here, and that's it. And then you just go to click on new writing and put in the keyword, and this content pops up, and you can, you select the category of the writings, either VSL, email swipes, articles, okay, and you put in like here a keyword they're playing around with this success keyword, and something based on this keyword will come up on how to become successful, blah, blah, blah. And, this will turn into an ebook. Okay, they're just showing you how amazing, how much content you have. And then you click go, press on go. And what then? Next step. What is the next step? What is the next step? What are they doing now? Okay, it's kind of like a preview. Okay, and now they're showing you that you can change it into this amazing ebook. Okay. Okay, so that's what it's gonna look like, the ebook. I'm just fast forwarding it. I don't have the whole time in the world for this. And then they're also saying, oh, you can turn it into an audiobook as well and sell it on Amazon. Okay. And now you can pick the voiceover, whatever. It's like a robotic voice. And yeah, someone is gonna buy it, with this robotic voice from Amazon. And you try and sell it, guys, on Amazon. Okay, all the best, good luck. And he's saying that, get yourself ahead of the game, they say here, and start making a fortune with this method. Well, that was so easy. Again, why are you not doing it? Why do you have to come on Warrior Plus and launch so many products? Why do you have to do that? Of course, because the product creation is the way to make money online and to generate leads. And you guys know about it very well. But why do you have to create pathetic products? Why can't you create solid products, something I would be proudly promoting instead of exposing? Why? Okay. What has happened to human race in general, to dignity? Oh my goodness, I don't know what has happened, but the time will come, hopefully, when people will wake up. Maybe it is already happening. Anyhow, guys, my point is here, stay away from products like that. Don't buy it, obviously. And yeah, okay, if you want to check out these courses, you're more than welcome. What you need to do, okay, it's gonna be below any of my videos. So if you come to my channel, just let me show you, click on any of my of my videos. Okay, now I have just made an update on these products as well. So you may want to check out this video on Lazy Commission Traffic Endgame Email Marketing Secrets Toolkit, important update, take action now. You may want to check out this video because it's some updates about this product, these courses I am particularly talking about. But if you want to access these courses, go to under any of my videos, go to the description box, click on show more, okay? And here you see this, grab free professional courses completely free here. Okay, let me show you. If you click, it's gonna take you to this Google Doc. And again, guys, 2 amazing ongoing courses on, okay, affiliate marketing, so lazy commissions on affiliate marketing, traffic generation, traffic endgame, this one, and email marketing, so it's this one, email marketing secrets and email toolkit. Okay, amazing courses, ongoing support. The vendor is absolutely fantastic. Okay, I am a member of this community as well. Okay, I joined quite a while ago. I'm super happy with the courses, with the support. That's why I wholeheartedly, with all integrity, okay, all integrity, recommend it to anyone. Okay, anyone who is serious about making money, real money online, with a genuine way and without compromising your integrity and trying to push shiny objects, okay, to naive newbies, because that's disgusting doing that. Anyhow, back to the Google Docs. So here, click on any of the links here, sign yourselves up for free. It's the free ends are totally free of charge, okay, and they're value packed. Now, if you need to ask me any questions, guys, you can go via the link, not via the link, below my review in the comment section. Go ahead, ask me any questions you may have. And here you have on this Google Doc various ways of contacting me as well. And yeah, that's it. So ProfitBook, don't buy it. Nonsense. Okay, you're just gonna waste your, I don't know how much it was, I can't be even bothered, $17. I guess they give you some discount, try and make you buy, but it's just gonna be a waste of time. Sorry, I'm trying to, I don't know what has happened. Anyhow. Alright, cool. Oh, quite an overcast day today. A bit overcast. Where is the sun? Okay, come on, come back, the sun. Oh, I just need to entertain myself because I got bored kind of talking about this product. So obviously, guys, don't waste your time. Yeah, that's it. Give me some YouTube love if you like my crazy style and you want to make real money. The link to free courses is down below my video. You will love them. Well, I love them, so you may love them too. Okay, love you. Leave you kisses, not from London, this time from Poland. I'm chilling at my parents in Poland. Alright, bye.